In front of me is Motorola Edge 20 Lite, and let me show you how to reset app preferences. So at first just unroll the list of all apps and open Settings. Then locate and click on Apps and Notifications. Go to All Apps and tap on More. Go to Reset App Preferences then, and if you really want to remove all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any other permission restrictions, just tap on Reset Apps. And that's it. So from now on you can smoothly set everything up. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.